480 is an economical lower limb CPM that provides durability with advanced operating features and ease of setup. Each Ortho Rehab 480 comes complete with soft goods, programmable controller, power supply, power cord, and directions for use. Begin setup by attaching a new set of soft goods. Place the thigh pad on the thigh shield, matching hook and loop fasteners. One strap will attach to the underside of the thigh pivot block. Be sure pads are adjusted for both support and comfort. Next, attach the calf pad onto the calf frame. Be sure to attach the connecting strap from the calf pad to the undersurface of the thigh pad. Slide the boot onto the footplate. An auxiliary strap is provided and may be used to secure the patient's thigh or calf. The Ortho Rehab 480 has an internal power supply that needs only to be plugged into a grounded wall receptacle. Turn the power on at the power on-off switch located at the base of the unit. Also, ensure that the set lock switch is in the set position. With a measuring tape, take the patient's thigh measurement from the gluteal crease to the middle of the knee joint. Then, adjust the thigh length to correspond to your measurement by loosening the thigh cradle adjustment knobs on both sides. Retighten the thigh cradle adjustment knobs. Next, measure the patient's lower leg from the center of the knee joint to approximately 1/4 of an inch beyond the heel to compensate for soft goods thickness. Loosen the adjustment knobs on the calf cradle and adjust the cradle length to correspond with the patient's measurement. Then, tighten all knobs securely. Now, place the patient's leg in the unit and make minor adjustments for comfort. To allow free movement of the ankle, loosen the ankle adjustment knobs located on the foot cradle. For rotation of the foot, loosen the adjustment knob located on the back of the foot cradle and reset to the right or left side as required. With patient setup now complete, we're ready to set controller functions. The controller will first ask you if you want the warm-up features on. Choose Y for yes or N for no. If yes, the range of motion will slowly increase over the series of cycles until a full range of motion is reached. If you select no, the unit will operate within the set limits. To set range of motion parameters, press and hold down the extension or flexion button while simultaneously pressing the desired up or down arrow key. The extension and flexion angles will change slowly for the initial few degrees. Following this, the parameter will change more rapidly. During normal operation, the LCD window on the controller pendant continuously displays the knee angle of the CPM unit. To check the speed setting, press and hold the speed button. The LCD window will display the present speed setting. To adjust speed, press and hold the speed button while simultaneously pressing either the up arrow to increase speed or down arrow to decrease speed. The current pause setting can be checked by pressing the extension or flexion pause buttons. To change pause settings, press and hold either extension pause or flexion pause buttons and adjust the number of seconds with the up arrow or down arrow keys. To check the number of user cycles since the last reset, press the Hour Cycle button. User hours and cycles will appear in the LCD window. To reset the user hours and cycles, simultaneously press EXT, Speed, Hours, Cycles, and Flex keys. Instruct the patient on the use of the hand controller and make sure to point out the instructions can also be found on the back of the hand controller pendant. To begin treatment, press the Start-Stop button on the controller. To add stability to the Ortho Rehab 480, a home bed mount kit and several hospital bed mount kits are available as accessories. Please refer to the Directions for Use manual for complete operating instructions and device